Do you know how your favorite potato chips are made? We'll take you on a journey from the potato fields to the delicious, crispy chips you love. It all starts in the fields, where farmers carefully harvest potatoes at their peak freshness. Once harvested, the potatoes are transported to the processing facility. The potatoes can be received in different ways, including live bottom trucks, tractors, dumpers, boxes, bags, or big bags. As the potatoes arrive at the facility, they are unloaded into the receiving hopper. Spiral roller sets which pre-cleans the potatoes of any loose debris. Next, storage hoppers which acts as a buffer for constant product flow. The potatoes are then graded. The grading process can be done different ways, including web grading, radial grading, and shake grading, each with their own grading principles. The potatoes go through a destoning process to remove any debris. This can be a separate machine or integrated with a washer. Then, they enter the skin separator machine, which removes any floating pieces. The potatoes enter the drum washer for thorough cleaning, with an option of an integrated destoner. The washed potatoes are polished to make the potato surface even and remove any irregularities. Uniform slices using precision slicing machines. The sliced potatoes are carefully fried to achieve that golden, crispy perfection. After frying, the chips go through a sorting process. Once sorted, the chips move on to the flavoring stage. The chips are weighed to ensure consistent portions. They are then carefully packed into airtight bags, ready to be enjoyed. From the potato fields to the irresistible bags of potato chips, every step is taken to ensure that you get the best snacking experience.